I was out cleaning the chicken coop, turned my back for a second, and we have a predator on top of my chickens. Let's see who the predator is. Oh, it's Spot! What are you doing, Spot, on the chicken coop? What are you doing up there? Huh? Silly. You look like a big old predator. Just hanging out. We've had so much rain. Everything is muddy. And it just looks terrible. Just trying to clean out this part of the coop for them. Got the inside all cleaned out. Gonna spray it down. And the poor little feet are all muddy. Hi, ladies. Okay, well, that was the predator of the day. Thanks for watching.